Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to pin a message in Facebook Messenger. If you want to keep an important message easily accessible, pinning it is the perfect solution. So, let's get started with this full guide. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Google Play Store. Once there, tap on it to open the app. Step 2. In the search bar, type Messenger Facebook. Look for the app with a gradient between blue and pink, featuring a horizontal lightning bolt. Step 3. Tap on the app and then select Install. Alternatively, you can hold the option and tap on Install for additional settings. Step 4. Once the app finishes downloading, tap on Open to launch it. Sign in using your usual Facebook credentials. Step 5. Now, open a chat where you want to pin a message. Step 6. Scroll through the chat until you find the specific message you want to pin. Step 7. Tap and hold on the message until a few options appear. Step 8. Among the available options, you'll find Pin with a metal pin icon. Tap on it to pin the message. By following these simple steps, you can easily pin a message in Facebook Messenger, ensuring that it stays at the top of the conversation for quick reference. This feature is particularly useful when you have crucial information or important messages that you need to access easily without searching through the entire chat history. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.